Numbers Kingdom. How many red puppies are there? Click on the puppies. 2, 1, try again. 2, oops. 3, try another number. 4, try 5. Oops. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8, 5, 4. Oops. Excellent. 7, right. 7, 2. Try again. 3. Oops. Try again. Excellent. Terrific. 2. Oops. That's it. Right. 1, 2. Try again. Oops. Try again. Excellent. Terrific. Count them and click on the correct number. 3, 2, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great counting. Whoa, a gold clue! Numbers Kingdom. Numbers King shaped forest. Shapes are missing from Shapes Forest. Click and drag each shape to where it belongs. Triangle, rectangle. Great matching. Crescent. Wow, you're good at octagon. Great matching. Triangle. You did it! You put all the shapes back in the forest. You got another gold clue. Numbers Kingdom. Alphabet City. The alphabet is missing some letters. Look through the city to find each letter, then click on it. F, G, keep F. G, E, V, keep trying. E, G. W, F, E. E, A, try again. A, try a different letter. P, M, Q, B, keep trying. F, U, A, E, G, W, C, that's not it. F, G, V, M, Q, A, E, G, W, G, A, V, keep E, keep L, try Z, U, R, T, N, T, R, keep T, N, excellent. O, try again. W, C, F, G, try again. E, G, C, N, try a different letter. O, keep looking. R, E, V, P, M, S, Q, A, P, try again. Back. Shapes Forest. Shapes Forest. Numbers Kingdom. Alphabet City. The alphabet is missing some letters. Look through the city to find each letter, then click on it. O, Z, B, try again. J, X, T, C, keep going. J, X, W, A, W, I, P, N, L, K, F, C, D.